guys, welcome back to the channel Opinions Matter. Again back with an episode on an Osmo Pocket. Now why is this so? Because for the past few weeks when I was shooting with the Osmo Pocket, I had faced some problem with the audio, and I was like, well, there is a better way to get good audio on this, which is by attaching our good old Rode video mics on this one. But the thing is that the Rode video mic has a 3.5mm jack and the Osmo Pocket does not have it. Then I was like, and I was waiting for the audio, adapter from DJI for the last few days, and I was like, hold on a second, let me show you something. Okay, so I got the brand new iPad Pro because I do a lot of editing on the iPad Pro using an app called LumaFusion. What's this? So this is what Apple did with their new iPad, right? Which means that there is no lightning headphone jack. Everything is USB-C. And I was like, dang, I have the same problem with my GoPro Hero Session. It has a USB-C, but it does not have any sort of lightning headphone jack or anything. So what should we do? So I was wandering around Best Buy, and guess what I found? Yep, you're right. USB-C to a lightning jack. A USB-C to a headphone adapter. And I was like, yes, this is for the iPad, but this should technically work with anything that has USB-C. Now, you can hear the wind muffling noise, right? Watch how windy it is today, right? And in situation like this, when there's a lot of wind going on, it comes to your microphone, which is on the Osmo Pocket right out there underneath the display. And I was like, today's the perfect day to test it out. I'm not going to go outside because today's Christmas. So Merry Christmas to all of you guys who are celebrating this Christmas, and wish you all the best in your future endeavors from the channel Opinions Matter. Now let's go ahead and dive in and see how this tiny headphone jack can change audio quality in your Osmo Pocket, GoPro Hero Sessions, and all the other GoPros. So let's test one without the headphone jack, not covering the microphone. Now I take my hand and cover the side of the microphone like this, and I leave it. You can see wind muffling noise, right? Now watch this with the Rode microphone. Alrighty, so this is with the Rode microphone, and that's how I've held the Rode microphone at the back. You can probably buy attachments or anything right now, but for right now this is shot with a Rode microphone, and you can see there's a lot of wind going on. Same, you can watch into the trees. The trees are also, there is a lot of wind right now. It's a very windy situation, and let's see whether this Rode microphone does its job or not. So that's test number one. Now we'll go ahead and see the audio on the GoPro Hero Session and how to improve this just by using that 3.5mm jack with a USB-C connection. So this is the GoPro's inbuilt microphone. As you will see, there's a lot of wind drags. People usually, hold on a second, I will show you something. Usually some people, what they do is that they put a small tuft of cotton on the top or fur on the top, so that they do not need to buy an external microphone. But this is just with the external microphone. This is just with the inbuilt microphone, no external microphone attached. Now let's see how drastically the audio improves. There's a lot of wind right now, a lot of wind. Let's see how it improves. Alrighty, so this is the GoPro's rig, and as you can see, I'm actually trying to use the external microphone jack on the GoPro. You guys tell me what you think about the audio quality before and after. This is using the Rode microphone. As you can see right now, I'm using the Rode microphone. I've actually hold it like this, but you can buy adapters or anything. This is just for test purposes to see how you guys see the audio quality difference using a Rode microphone. So there you go, guys. Amongst all of this things going on right now, which is like a lot of wind and everything, I think Rode microphone still remains the perfect solution to use external microphone as vlogging and different purposes. So I wanted to try this out. I was actually working for something else in the morning with my iPad, and I had this USB-C to headphone adapter, and I was like, should I try this? Well, that was a find. USB-C to headphone adapters are very cheap. They're like $1 or $2 if you are living in different countries. There is no purpose to buy, a $30 adapter that is sold by different companies or the manufacturer of this Osmo Pocket itself. So I would say get that one, save some money. And this is the professional quality audio that I always depend upon as a Rode audio, Rode video microphone. And I've done a lot of videos with the Rode video microphone. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, like, and do subscribe to this channel. Why? Because in this channel we bring you honest opinion and we bring you unique tests that is not done in a lot of YouTube channels. You know why? Because I'm totally unsponsored and this channel will be honest all the time. Take care, have a nice day, and Merry Christmas to all of your family, those who are celebrating it, those who are not celebrating a Christmas, doesn't matter, still have a nice day.